Cheers, Mackies. A little scotch down the hatch for you, man.
Thanks, buddy.
All the best. Congratulations. Good times and bad, high times and low. We wish you the very damn best. And this scotch says you're gonna have a hell of a good marriage, man. So bottoms up.
Can't argue with scotch.
Lately, I've been building things, castles and airplanes. I've been painting pictures from my dreams. Yeah, I'm done waiting. Whoa. Lately, I've been singing songs, playing numbers, throwing darts, folding bills and menus into paper hearts, and dancing in the rain. Whoa. This is the real life. I'm feeling so fine. It's gonna be my lucky day when the stars align and clouds have gone away. We're big enough to feel the Milky Way. Let everybody know my time is now. All my friends at home are pointing from the ground, but I'm not coming down on my lucky day.
Not knowing what it was, I will not give you up this time.
Till the top, let it overflow. It's gonna be my lucky day when the stars align and clouds have gone away.